This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So to get in here to do the repair, I've got to get the front panel off, and to do that I got to get the top off and take this off to get to some screws here. So I'm also going to be removing some screws on the front, and then I can figure out what's going on. Just it might be a roller. So on this stack model, this dryer will just slide out. There's nothing holding it, and I'm going to use this recycling bin to slide it onto, but you could use a garbage. These tend to be about the right size. So once I get it on there, I can just wield it out. So I'm going to pull it toward me, lift a little bit, get it onto this thing. And I can slide it out of here. Just gotta get the feet above it. There we go. Usually in a situation like this, they've left enough gas line and vent tube and power cord so you can pull it out a little bit, but be careful as you're pulling it out. Close that. See the vent tube back there. Feels like the gas line is still fine. Still some pull it out a little bit more. Just gotta get to the screws behind here to take this off. Turn it a little bit so we can see that there's enough gas line, enough power cord, enough vent tube. And I just have to get to these screws in the back. One's already been removed, but I gotta get that one off right there. On top of this thing, it's really easy to maneuver this and get it out of the way. Get this one screw off. I think it's a Phillips head.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.